Hello, by the end of this class, you will have known how to generate a line graph in Excel. So we'll generate a line graph. So here is our data. We have units and we have cost. So now when generating a line graph, you need to explain your data by knowing what value from this is your x-axis and what value is your y-axis. So now the x-axis usually is the one that let me just draw it right here using these borders. Let me just pick this and this bottom border. So the x-axis lies down here, while the y-axis is this. So this is x. So yeah, so this is basically what we're trying to achieve. So yeah, so first what you do is you select your data, select the whole of the data, then on the insert tab, press on the insert tab, then come to right here. This is a line graph, so click on this. So we'll get more scenarios here, but we'll just select on the first one, the 2D one. Yes, so this is our data. This is our data. So every line graph needs to have a title. So we'll say we'll input a title, a line graph of cost against units. So that's that. And we'll also need to have an axis. So we'll have a x and y axis. We need to name this y axis and the x axis. But you'll realize that in the x axis it didn't catch these values, so we are going to change that. And also we also need to name the x-axis and the y-axis. So by naming those, we'll click on this plus sign and check this box of axis titles, just check that, and we'll input this. So these are the x-axis is units, while the y-axis is cost. So cost will be this. So this is cost. Cost. While this is unit. So there you have it. You can also change the format if you like. You can select that if you really don't like this one. This really plays around with everything. You see, this is the second one, this is the third one. So you can really play around with it till you get that one that you really like. So that's it. That's how you prepare a line graph in Excel. And feel free to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.